Animals, just like humans, they are living beings, want to live peacefully in their home and contributing to the ecosystem one way or other. But some humans think of them only as a source of income through illegal means. Animal trafficking is one of the major problems in the past decades, which made some species extinct and some are at the verge of extinction, which escalated into an international crisis. It involves the illegal gathering and transportation of dead or alive animals and their derivatives. These crimes not just threaten tens of thousands of species around the world causing extinction, it is also hurting people, spreading diseases and damaging the ecosystem as each and every living things are interrelated to each other. A study estimated the value of wildlife crime up to $23 billion a year, and it was a decade ago. The value today is probably even higher. This illegal trade involves poaching of animals like elephants, tigers, turtles, rhinos, deers, and many other countless species around the world. The worst part is that they are not doing this for food, they are doing this just for fun. They are doing this to keep their skin as a sign of pride, like they become so brave by killing animals who can't speak for themselves. If this job will still go on, the day is not far when all the animals are gone and only left is their skins and bones. It becomes a global threat because its effect is not limited only to animals. It is coming to the humans. It's like getting the karma. And innocent humans are getting paid back for the deeds of traffickers who are unfortunately also human. As the COVID 19 pandemic was likely a byproduct of the wildlife trade, which has been linked to the outbreaks of several other diseases through the years and making the humans extinct. Poachers and traffickers are also linked to other crimes, murders, bribery, and even contributing to terrorism, and a threat to destabilize families, communities, and national security. It is still running on a large scale because the punishment rarely fits the crime. If you go deep into this, you will see that all the countries are involved in this either as a source or as buyers. Although many rules have been made and many countries started taking it seriously, but it still needs a lot of work to do. Media should get involved into this and give them a coverage rather than showing irrelevant news. They should speak for them as should we. But these things only work on paper. They all are on their own because they don't look like us. They can't speak our language. They are just hiding from us, running from us, protecting their children from us. It's like they are becoming humans and we are becoming wild.